Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know I have been not uploading videos for so long, but I think it's necessary to show you guys how to select roles in Discord channels, because so many of you guys were getting to my channel and server and leaving because you don't know how to select the role. So I will be showing you how to select the roles in a Discord channel. It's not only for my server, it's for every server you get into, because every server have a role selecting thing right now. So let's get into the video. When you get into my channel or any other, I mean this server or any other Discord server, probably you will be in the welcome page that showing welcome to our channel and stuffs like that. But in our channel I have posted a note: you cannot access the server if you don't choose a role. So please go to roles and choose. It means you have to choose a role that you are playing in my server. It's pretty common in every Discord servers now available, I mean popular ones. So this is a basic video to make you know how to select a role. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഡിസ്കോഡ് ചാനലിൽ റോൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാമെന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തരാൻ പോണത്. ഇറ്റ്സ് പ്രിറ്റി സിമ്പിൾ. First, go to the roles channel. It's already there. You can, how you don't see this channel? It's pretty big, guys, with a big red circles. Go into that channel and you can see hi, welcome to Clofam, and please select one of the roles below to access the server. Anime fan, gamer. There is two emojis here and there is two reaction buttons under that. In every Discord server, when you go to choose a role, there will be a reaction button under that. It works like that. So you react to one button and you will given that role. Like if you react to this emoji, you will given anime fan role. If you react to swords, you will be given gamer role. It's like that in everything. I mean, if I go to Destiny channel, I will show you. This is a big channel, big server. See role update. No, not here. It's in server access. They don't have welcome and things like that. I don't know where is the role. Server update, role update. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, see, you if you go to role update channel, they don't have welcome like our channel. This is a big channel, guys, so don't compare with my channel, my server. Okay, see here, it's based on our place that we are coming: North America, European, and OC. I don't know what it is. It doesn't mean you have to select the right one. Only you have to select one of these roles to get into access to the Destiny server. Okay, it's like the same everywhere. There will be a role channel. Go to that and react to any of these buttons and you will be given access to the server to voice medias if you have that with your role. Okay, so നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ I'm telling in Malayalam because many of guys are kids here. Like my channel have a lot of kids with 10 to 12 years old. That's why I'm speaking in Malayalam. So എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിന് തന്നെ പോയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഈ കാണുന്ന രണ്ട് റിയാക്ഷൻ ബട്ടൺ ഉണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് വിത്ത് കന്നഡ വച്ച ചിരിക്കുന്ന ഇമോജി ആൻഡ് വൺ വിത്ത് സ്വോർഡ്. ഇതിലേതെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രം മതി ഈ റോൾസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ചാനലിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ഫുൾ സാധനങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്പോൾ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതൊന്നും കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. യു കനോട്ട് സീ എനിത്തിങ് ഹിയർ ഇഫ് യു ഡോണ്ട് പ്രസ് എനി വൺ ഓഫ് ദിസ്. Okay, and we have special channel how to select a role. Just see that, guys. Jack Sparrow made that for you guys. Click here. he just draw that. Just see. Yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, this is a 4-minute video. It's a short video, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and now you know how to select roles. So if you need anything to ask me or you want me to make any video, you can directly say me in my Instagram. I will give my Instagram ID below. Before I was not giving my Instagram because I was not active in Instagram, but I'm trying to be more active. You can DM me and that's it. I will see you in next video. There will be 2 videos releasing today. One will be how to download the Cyberpunk 2077 for fast, because the game is out like 4 days or something and it's not easy to download with even you have 100 MB per second speed of internet data. So I will be saying that in next video. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, subscribe and comment, don't forget that. Bye bye.